Good morning. We have a new procedure for changing grades. It is an actual paper form that you will find in your unit office. You can ask your unit secretary. This is a screenshot of that form. You will start by selecting one of these four options for the type of change that you're making. The next you'll fill in the student information, as you can see here, their name, their ID number, their unit, their grade level. The next section covers the actual course information, the course number, the course section, the course name, your name, and the period of the class. Then you have other sections to put in the actual change. Whether it is a quarter change, you're going to put the letter grade here and the percentage here, and then check which one of the quarters this occurs in. This is the area for the semester change. So this would be a semester grade, not an exam grade, that's an error. And then the semester percentage here, and then choose either first semester or second semester. And then this is for the actual exam grade change. You choose that here, and you can put the percentage here, and then again choose semester 1 or semester 2. Fill in the reason for the change, and then below you're going to sign it and date it. For quarter 4 changes that will occur after grading closes, I won't be here to sign it, but what you'll do is you can give this to your counselors for them to make the change. But starting next year, you will bring this form to me and I will sign it so that I can unlock your grade book so that the changes can be made. And I will give you a copy of that when that's done and send you an email, and then I will send it on to the counselors to change the historical grade so that both your grade and your grade book matches the historical grades so that nothing gets overwritten. So if you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. Thank you.